in today's video, I will be making AMALA that is free of lumps. This recipe is very easy to follow, so let's go ahead and make AMALA. So for a start, I'm going to prepare everything I'll be needing. Here is my yam flour, also called elubo. Also, I have this spatula that I'll be using to turn the AMALA. Also, in a bowl, I have some water and this scooper that I'll be using to scoop the AMALA. So right now, the water I'll use to make the AMALA is boiling. So I'll scoop out some quantity of boiling water and set it aside. I'll make use of this water later. So now that the water is boiling, I'll pour in some quantity of the yam flour. Then I bring the spatula to turn everything together. I'm going to turn this together till there are no traces of the flour. So the next thing to do is to turn and also beat the mixture to the side of the pot. After turning and beating it for 2 to 3 minutes, the texture will be soft and smooth. So the next thing to do now is to pour in the hot water I set aside previously into the AMALA. This will be used to cook the AMALA for a few minutes. Also be using the scooper to scrape off the AMALA sticking to the sides of the pot. After cooking the AMALA for 2 to 3 minutes, I'll go ahead to turn it like I did previously. I'll make sure to turn and beat it till I get a smooth and soft mixture. That's how to get a lump-free AMALA. I hope you find this recipe easy and straightforward for you to understand. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. Also, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Thank you for watching. Till I come your way next time, stay safe. Bye.